Hello, this is a Komatsu bulldozer and its model is E65EX and it's electronic bulldozer. Okay. So let's start. This is the front side in front of operator. We see this display screen as well as you have different options. Here we have oil level and is temperature and fuel level. And from here we start the machine. And at the right side we have two levers. First lever is for ripper. Here's a ripper down in normal condition and ripper up. Here's the ripper behind the machine. It's a hydraulically operated ripper, and after that here's the lever. This lever is for, you can see here, this is for tilt of blade and up the blade and down the blade from here. At the left side we have also lever. This lever is for up and down, and here we have right hand side of a machine. If we move it to the right side, then the machine will move to the right side, and if we move it to the left side, if we move the lever to the left side, it will the whole machine will move to the left side. And from here we can move forward. Okay, sorry, it's locked. First of all, you have to unlock it here. So it's hydraulically operated. If we want to move it forward, we should have to start the machine. So now it's locked. It's unlocked it, but it's hydraulically operated, so not manually. So here's the condition that we should turn on the machine. So from here we can move forward and backward. After this we have this indicator. This is for RPM. This side is minimum and here's the maximum. In the pedal we have first this pedal is for accelerator. Before this we operate it from this side. From here we set the RPMs and then we can control it by our foot. And after that the central lever, this is for brake. If we want to apply a brake, we can use it. And after that at the left side here's a foot rest, and that's for the rest. Okay, so these are the two locks, and this is also a lock. So when you put it down, it means you lock it, and when you are on the seat, you should have to unlock the machine for operating. Okay, this is Bulldozer D65EX, electronically operated, and that's how we operate the whole machine. Thank you.